Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to tackle a question that's been puzzling many of you who work with asyncio in Python. How do you cancel long-running asyncio tasks? If you've ever found yourself stuck with an unresponsive task that's blocking your event loop, this video is for you. We'll dive into the world of asynchronous programming and explore the different ways to handle these pesky tasks. So, why is it important to know how to cancel asyncio tasks? Well, when working with asynchronous code, we often create multiple tasks that run concurrently, sharing resources and waiting on each other's results. However, sometimes a task might get stuck or take an unexpectedly long time to complete, causing the entire program to freeze. In asyncio, tasks are essentially wrappers around coroutines that allow us to schedule them for execution in the event loop. When we create a task, it runs independently of our main code. And if something goes wrong, we need a way to intervene and stop the task before it causes problems. To understand how to cancel a task, let's first consider what cancellation actually means in asyncio.Tasks. Essentially, when we cancel a task, we're sending a signal to the event loop that says, hey, please interrupt this task as soon as possible. The event loop will then try to cancel the task at its next available opportunity. There are two main ways to cancel an asyncio task: using the cancel method or by raising a run-to-mirror from within the task itself. Let's explore both approaches in more detail. Firstly, let's look at how we can use the cancel method. When you call task.cancel, asyncio will attempt to cancel the task as soon as possible. However, there are some caveats if the task is currently executing. It won't be interrupted immediately. Instead, the event loop will wait until the next await point before attempting cancellation. On the other hand, we can also raise a run-to-mirror from within the task itself to achieve similar results. By raising an exception, we're effectively interrupting the task's execution and allowing the event loop to take control again. So, how do you decide which approach to use? Well, it really depends on your specific use case. If you have more control over the task's internal logic and can anticipate when cancellation might be necessary, raising a run-to-mirror from within the task itself might be a better choice. However, if you need more fine-grained control or want to decouple the cancellation logic from the task implementation, using the cancel method is probably a safer bet. So what should you take away from this video? Here are the main points. Cancellation in asyncio means sending a signal to interrupt a task at its next available opportunity. We can cancel an asyncio task using either the cancel method or by raising a run-to-mirror from within the task itself. The choice of approach depends on your specific use case and how much control you have over the task's internal logic. That's it for today's video. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope this explanation has helped clarify how to cancel long-running asyncio tasks in Python. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and ask any questions you have in the comments below. If you are struggling with asynchronous programming or have more questions about asyncio, be sure to check out some of our other videos on the topic. We'd love to help you deepen your understanding of this powerful Python library. Until next time, happy coding.